what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So sorry that I haven't uploaded for like a month. I've been doing a lot of boring stuff to the car, which is why I haven't really uploaded anything. But I'm thinking that I'm gonna show you real quick what I have done, and then I'm gonna do like a small project, be able to tear off one, tape from the list of things that needs to be done. So I'm just gonna do a real small thing really quickly, but I'm gonna show you real quick what it is that I've done to the car and what I'm trying to do. Pretty much disassembled everything underneath the car. I'm just gonna clean it up, get the little rust that there is, and basically make it like undercoat it, so it's gonna look brand new, fix the rust. There wasn't a whole lot of rust actually. It looked really, really good. Like it's not going through. This is like bare metal right here. So we'll see how much of a rust reparation I need to do. It's gonna be interesting to get it all back together. But yeah, same on this side as well. And then, I mean, we do have a garage update. I built this thing with my dad. So yeah, I got all of my Milwaukee tools in here. I mean, it looks good. It looks a little bit, it looks a little bit cheap, but nah, it looks good. I like it. So yeah, what I'm gonna do today is do like a cold air intake right here with the indicator housing. So these indicator housings are like really cheap. It's like 25 bucks for a new one. Okay, boys. It is out, very easy, just like one screw. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna remove the light bulb here. Very easy working on these cars with some of the things. And then pretty much, I think actually I'm gonna reattach it and then cut out the opening here to allow the air in, and then I'll see how I do here. So just looking in here, you can like see the hole way clearer. You can see the air filter, and so it's gonna be a real nice cold air intake. All right, boys, so this is a Dremel. This is like the cheapest one you could find and buy. So I have like a wheel up here, so hopefully it's going to easily cut into the plastic, and then I'm gonna, just try to cut as straight and good as possible, but then I'm also going to like polish it up or, sand it down so that it looks as nice as possible and there isn't any sharp edges. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, we'll try it out and see how it works. Okay, well, shit. Okay, so I'm trying with a different attachment. So I'll probably just poke some holes and then like try to break the plastic off. Okay, boys, we are done. I've cut it up and I'll try to make it as clean as possible so you can't like cut yourself. But I mean, it's just plastic, but yeah, no. Okay, guys, so I have everything set up here with the blinker housing. I'm going to take this tool right here and I'm going to cut the blinker housing up. And then I bought this tube kit. So I'm just gonna attach this like inside, and then I'm probably gonna use like screws to hold it in place. I'm not entirely sure what's the best option or way here. Usually you wanna have something to attach the tube with and then like clamp it down. But yeah, that's not really gonna work. So I'm just gonna do like a makeshift solution, and then we'll see Maybe I improve it in the future, or maybe it's good enough. I don't know, we'll see. Okay guys, so I found these plugs that I'm not currently using, so I'm gonna use these instead of screws. And I've already prepared to drill it. So I'm just gonna drill like 3 holes or something and then attach it. Wow, holy shit, that actually works great. It's like properly stuck on there now, holy shit. So maybe I don't need to do any more actually, but okay, so that's properly on there now. Like it's not going anywhere. That's really, really sturdy. Holy shit. This is almost the final product, I guess you can say. This is what it looks like. It's on there. It's like stuck on there. I think it's just time to kind of half assemble it just to see what it's gonna look like. All right, boys, we are done. We are done with the install. We are done with the cold air intake. So this is the result. Turned out pretty good. So overall, I'm quite happy with it. We still have 2 things to do, and that is just to fill up these gaps so the air can't escape. Do it all around here. And then we need to cut up the metal right here to get the tube out to point to the air filter. Other than that, it is done. I'm gonna make a video of that later when it's done or when I do it. But yeah, so far so good. Real happy with how it turned out. So please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.